Hi, I'm Christy Neidhart. Welcome to 5829 Deale Beach Road here in Deale, Maryland. It's an amazing estate. I can't wait to take you on a tour. Come on in, let's take a look. Hand-scraped hardwood floors, amazing gourmet kitchen, extended island, 6-burner gas stove, flow into the sitting room with gas fireplace, over to this beautiful curved staircase, extended large dining room, flow back to one of 2 master suites. Extended crown molding throughout, his and her sinks, sauna, water closet with bidet, soaking tub, frameless glass shower, large walk-in closet, come back to a second bedroom on the main level. Could also be a beautiful office. Large palladium window, gas fireplace. Went upstairs to a second master suite and 2 additional bedrooms. These first 2 bedrooms have a Jack and Jill bath in between, large closets. Frameless glass shower. Another walk-in closet. Back to the second master suite. This is currently being used as a home gym. Intercom system throughout the house. Another luxury bath, separate shower, soaking tub. All brick and stone exterior, luxury Pella wood windows and doors, true 3-car garage with extra insulated space, large paver patio for entertaining with an outdoor TV. 20 by 40 large barn in the backyard, perfect for an indoor workshop, tons of storage, great man cave, tons of possibilities. We hope you've enjoyed this tour. For more information on this home, visit us at www.kn-team.com or call us at 410-599-1370. Welcome home.